Hey everybody, and welcome back to the next instalment on my European A to Z adventure. I hope you enjoyed the last video of my travels to Copenhagen. So today guys, I'm in a city known for its music, its literary history, and of course its bars. That's right guys, I'm in Dublin, Ireland. So let's take a look around the city, see what it's got to offer, and then we'll also complete our 3 tasks. Eat a local cuisine, drink a local beer, and then visit a traditional local landmark. So join me as we explore Dublin and see what it's got to offer. So for my first task today here in Dublin, I'm going to be visiting Trinity Hall to cover my landmark task. Let's take a look around the outside and exterior before we move and head on inside to take a quick look. Okay, I think it's now time to go and get some food. I've been recommended this place here, Arthur's Bar, so that we're going to go in there and try some Irish stew. So let's get in there and see what this is like. So here is the Irish stew. This was absolutely unbelievable. It was so nice. As you can see, there's a really hearty broth there with big chunks of lamb, carrots, and a big portion of mashed potato. This was really needed on a cold day as it was today. So I polished this off and get ready to move on to my final 3rd task of the day, to have a local beer. Let's give this a go. This is my first ever pint of Guinness, believe it or not. So let's try it. Very flat, considering when you're used to drinking lager, but it's okay, I don't mind it. I'll certainly finish that off. Well, that was the Guinness done in the Lord Edward pub. I could take it or leave it. I wouldn't be rushing back to have another pint of Guinness. I think what I'm going to do now is head down to another bar, probably more into a more tourist area, and we'll have another beer down that way. So I've headed over to the Temple Bar area. I'm going to go in the Temple Bar here. Going to see what local beers they've got on offer and have a nice beverage before the day ends. So let's head inside and see what's on offer. experiencing the Temple Bar. It's 1:30 on a Thursday and it was absolutely rammed. Not really able to get much filming done and footage in there. Well, that's my time in Dublin come to an end. I hope you've enjoyed the video and enjoyed walking around Dublin and experiencing the food and drinking culture of this city. Leave a comment below where you think I'll be going next on my A to Z adventure. Please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming videos in this series, and I will see you next time.